Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find the Wi-Fi password for your HP Deskjet printer in 2026. Now, this is useful when you are connecting a new phone, computer or a router to your printer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So here is one important thing that you need to understand, which is your HP Deskjet printer does not create its own Wi-Fi password. It basically connects using your home Wi-Fi password, the same one that your phone and your laptop use. So if you are being asked for a printer password, it's actually asking for your Wi-Fi network password. If you don't remember your Wi-Fi password, here are two fastest ways to find it. First of all, you need to look at the back or at the bottom of your Wi-Fi router. Most of the routers have a sticker that shows the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. That password is what your HP Deskjet needs. Now on your phone or on your computer that's already connected to Wi-Fi, you just have to simply right click on the taskbar settings. Once you are here inside the settings of your device, you just have to look for the option of network settings or Wi-Fi settings. Now here in the Wi-Fi settings, it is going to show you the Wi-Fi to which you are basically connected. When you click on it, it is going to show you the password if it is available here. You can use the same password to connect your printer. Once you have the Wi-Fi password, you just have to reconnect your HP Deskjet and it will work normally. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.